Hello, welcome to Srija's classes.
Hi everyone. In this video, I will show you some tricks by which you can multiply two-digit numbers in just 2 seconds. But before beginning, let me remind you, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe me and hit the bell icon to get all the updates of my upcoming videos on such topics. Now let's start the video.
So let's start. Multiplication of two-digit numbers. Trick number 1. This trick only applies when sum of digits in the units place is 10 and digits in the tens place are same. So remember, this only applies. It's not for any number. It only applies when sum of digits in the units place is 10 and digits in the tens place are same. Just let us take an example on this. We have taken 21 into 29. So here see 1 and 9. These are in the units place. So our 1 and 9, this 2, if we add this 2, then the sum of these 2 is 10. This becomes 10. And the digits in the units place means 2 and 2. So they are same. So how to multiply this? So 1 and 9. These two will take our last two digits. The answer is last two digits. So 9 into 1 gives us 9. We will put it here. But 9 into 1 is only 9. So before that we will put only a 0. The rest we have 2 into 2. So we have 2 and 2. So we will multiply 2 with the next number of 2. So the next number of 2 is 3. So 2 into 3 is 6. So it will be 6. So our answer will be 609. Next, let's take 24 into 26. 4 into 6 is 24. And then 2 into 3. So it will be 6. So the answer is 624. Number 3. 33 into 37 will have the last two digits. So 7 into 3 is a 21 and 3 multiplied with the next number. So 3 multiplied with 4. So 3 4s are 12. So 3 multiplied with 4 gives us 12. So 1 2. So 3 multiplied by 2 gives us 12. So 1 2 2 1. Now let's take number 4. Let's take 48 into 42. 48 into 42. 4 into 2 is 16. And 4 multiplied with the next digit, that is 5. So 4 into 5 is 20. So it will be 2016. Let's take the next one, 5. Let's take 79 into 71. 9 and 1, 9. We don't know, we don't have the next this digit, so it will be 0. 7 multiplied with the next, that is 7 into 8. So 7 into 8 will be 56. So 79 into 71 will give us 5609. So you can see how we can do it in just a fraction of a second. And then we have 53 and 57. So 3 and 7 gives us 21. 5 multiplied with the next number, that is 6. 5 multiplied with 6 is 30. So 3021. Number 7, 81 into 89. 9 and 1 we have done before. We have done 2 times. So it will be 0 and 9. 8 into 9. 8 into 9 is 72. So 7209. We are taking 115 into 15. So 5 plus 5 is 10. So 5 into 5 will give us 25. And 1 multiplied with the next number. So 2. So 2. Now 66 into 64. 6 4s are 24. We know. And then 6 6 are 36. But we have to multiply 6 with the next number. So 6 into 7. 6 7s are 42. Again 3 into 7 is 21. 9 into 9 No, we'll multiply 9 into 10. So 9 into 10 will give us 90. Okay, now we come to trick number 2. This only applies when the sum of digits in the tens place is 10 and the digits in the unit place are same. The trick 1 was about sum of digits in units place was 10 and the digits in the tens place was same. Okay, so now let's take an example in this trick and let's see. We take 65 into 45. How will we do this now? So 5 into 5. 5 into 5 gives us 25. So this will be the last two digit. And then we'll multiply this to 6 into 4. 6 into 4. This gives us 24. Now to this 24 we will add the digit in the units place. So 24 plus 5 is 29. So our answer will become 2925. Let's take another example. Now we have 73 into 33. So 3 into 3 is 9. So again 0, 9. And 7 into 3 is 21. 21 plus 3. So 21 plus 3 is 24. So 73 into 33 gives us 2409. Now we have 64 into 44. 4 fours are 16, right? And then 6 into 4, 24. 24 plus 4, that is 28. 1 into 1 is 1. Sorry. Then 9 into 1. 9 into 1 gives us 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. 2 into 2, 4. So 0, 4. Now 5 into 5, 25. 25 plus 2, 27. 6 into 6, that is 36. And 8 into 2, 16. 16 plus 6, how much? 22. 7 into 7, 49. 8 into 2, 16. 16 plus 7, tell me. 8 into 8, 64. 9 into 1, 9 plus 8. So 9 plus 8 is 17. So remember this, sum of digits in tens place is 10. Sum of digits in the tens place is 10. See, this 9 and this 1. This 2 makes up to 10. 8, 2 makes up 10. 8, 2 makes up 10. 5, 5, 10. 9, 1, 10. 6, 6, 10. 7, 3, 10. 6, 4, then 10. And the digits in the unit place are same. 5, 5, 3, 3. 4, 4, 1, 1, 2, 2, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8. So this is our trick 2. And what was our trick 1? It was this should sum up to 10. So 1 and 9 is 10. 2 and 2 are same. 4 and 6, 10. 2 and 2 same. 3 and 7 say 10. 3 and 3 same. 8 and 2, 10. 4, 4 same. 9 plus 1, 10. 7, 7 same. 3 and 7, 10. 5, 5 same. 8 plus 1, 9 same. And 8, 8 same. Then 5, 5, 10. 1, 1 same. 6, 4, 10. 6, 6 same. 9, 7. Sorry, 7 and 3, 10. And 9 and 9 same.
Hope you have liked my video and please do like and share it. Your like and share gives me support for more such videos. So please do like and share. Stay tuned to Srija's classes. Keep visiting my channel. I'll be uploading another trick where these two tricks doesn't apply, but we can multiply any 2-digit numbers. Thank you.